Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Bitfinex step by step clearly. Create an account on Bitfinex by visiting their official website. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. Read and accept the terms of service to proceed. Confirm your email address by opening the verification email from Bitfinex. Log into your newly created account with your email and password. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. Once logged in, navigate to the wallet section of the platform. Click on Deposit to fund your account. Choose your preferred deposit method from the available options. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your deposit. After funding your account, explore the Savings section. Select the Create a New Offer option to start saving. Choose the currency you want to save and the amount. Set the interest rate you wish to earn and the duration of the offer. Review your offer details to ensure everything is correct. Submit your savings offer to start earning interest. Monitor your savings regularly through the wallet and savings sections. Withdraw your earned interest or adjust your savings offer as needed. Stay informed about market changes to make the most of your savings strategy. Utilize the provided resources and guides on Bitfinex to enhance your experience. Consider setting up alerts for market trends to optimize your saving potential. Review your financial goals regularly to align your savings strategy accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.